Hi, and welcome to another instructional video on Scribner's FuelCell software. Today, we're going to talk about enabling the wet-dry humidifier bypass option that is available for Scribner FuelCell test systems. Our FuelCell test systems support a humidifier bypass capability to enable delivering dry or non-humidified gases to the fuel cell. The important thing to note is that this is a factory-installed option on 850 fuel cell test systems and is standard on 840 fuel cell test systems. For 850 units, the way to know whether the system is equipped with a humidifier bypass option is to look at the serial plate on the rear panel of the unit. This is an example of a serial plate for an 850E. Under the Options section, we are looking for WD, which stands for wet-dry. If WD is listed under the Options section, it indicates that this particular system is equipped with a humidifier bypass wet-dry solenoid valves. To configure it within the software, we just enable it through Instrument Configuration. Here we already have the software configured for this option, so that within the Setup Fuel menu, under the Anode and Cathode Fuel sections, we have a choice of providing either dry gas or humidified gas to the fuel cell, where wet refers to humidified gas. When in the wet operating mode, the gases pass through the humidifier and pick up water vapor before flowing to the fuel cell. In the dry operating mode, the gases bypass the humidifier and therefore are essentially absent any water vapor when delivered to the cell. If your system has the wet-dry option and it's not enabled in the Setup Fuel menu, all we have to do is go to File and select Instrument Configuration. Enter the unit serial number, or in this case I'm going to use the universal cheat code of -999. Then within the Fuel Cell Configuration tab, we see that there is a checkbox next to Use Wet-Dry Solenoid for both anode and the cathode. Check the box to enable this feature. Again, you want to make sure that the test system itself is equipped with this option before enabling in the software. Thanks for watching.